Kublai pi baro kini gilonggi kubor bam tagasngi. Ka jingelang cabinet jengka sarkar Meghalaya haka santrik rimpang kala menjuri bun kirai bakongsan kentup ya jengpen kubor ya khatwei tali ki regulation ki badan kaman pynbeit bat ban penjanai ke rukam trekam jengka university. Menteri rangba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma haba crunch kilat pathai kubor hadin ke jingelang ulo ong bagani ke jinge menjurkan yara ban pinstat bat ban pinbhai ke jeng trekam jengka university ha ke jela. Ka thungkam ha Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka cabinet kala menjuru ya ka jing thungkam ya ulane ka vice chairperson but sangwut kirkhot hapo ka rule 5 jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women u konrad sang maulo ong bakini ki kedan kila sa thali na du ka tu ka nepor hendai mentala pendap no yaki ula benrap baki kerteng jong ki balathum kim sapha pat ba shen ka kin hun jong un Ka Cabinet ka menjur ya ka Meghalaya Prison and Correctional Service Bill 2008 ko ipat ka rai bakongsan ka bala menjur da ka Cabinet ka long ya ka Meghalaya Prison and Correctional Service Bill 2008 Menteri rangba ulo ong bakani ka bill ka long katkum ki jingelam guidelines bala ai da ka sarkar pedeng bar ka jilla kala pediangi ki jingtmu ki jingpen kala ki bedan kam hapo katanan ka jingpen kala ha Meghalaya Legal Metrology Enforcement Amendment Rules ka cabinet kala menjuru ya ka jingpen kala amendment ha ka Meghalaya Legal Metrology Enforcement Amendment Rules ka ni ka jingpen kala ka jingya dei ba ki pisa jingyo jingya ram fees la ni charges ki ba hab bansiu ha ki benta ba pher katkum ki kendon bala bu ha ka ri konrad sangma ulo ong ba ki ne baro ki long katkum ki rukom bat ka nom bala bu ha ka kerdan national bala shim kya bha shwaban menjur
Number two, there was a ordinance that was passed in the previous cabinet meeting. I don't remember exactly which date, but it was already passed. Hence, the session is approaching, so we have to regularize the ordinance, and hence that was placed today in the cabinet to be then laid in the assembly. There were proposals for approval of the regulations of the Captain Williamson Sangma University. As you all know, there are regulations under which the universities function, whether it's the regulations on the common academic calendar for both undergraduate and the postgraduate programs, regulations on admission to postgraduate departments, regulation on fee structure of the postgraduate departments, regulation on course structure of the master's program, regulation on master's degree program in arts, science, commerce, law, library, and information science, regulation in conduct of exams for master's degree, program in arts, science, commerce, library, information science, so on and so forth. There are multiple regulations, totaling 11 of them, which has to be cleared by the cabinet, and that was approved today. And based on this, the functioning of the university will be streamlined. Uh, the next decision that was taken by the cabinet was regarding the appointment to the post of vice chairman and 4 members under Rule 5 of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women. As you're aware that these particular posts were vacant, and hence these have been filled up. Right now, I don't have the names immediately with me, but I will ask my team to kindly forward the names of the vice chairman and the 4 new members who have been approved to be appointed to the Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Number 5 was the approval of the Meghalaya Prisons and Correctional Service Bill 2026. This again is as per the guidelines that have been given by central government, and the Meghalaya government and the department has adopted those. There was also a amendment in the Meghalaya Legal Metrology Enforcement Amendment Rules. Again, these are to do with certain the amounts that are there that have to be charged, and for what particular aspect is charged. So all of those things are there. Those are again as per the norms that have been laid down at the national level. So we have taken that into consideration and we've approved those the rules today in the cabinet.